Hi everybody, I'm Lindsay.
Hi, and I'm Kim.
And we're Jane's daughters. Thank you so much for tuning into another tutorial. Today we have something really fun and simple and easy to do. So we're really excited to show you guys this tutorial. I've never made this before, so you're gonna teach me everything.
As you can see, we have a bee theme going here.
Yes.
We have our bee aprons. I love bees, and I don't like bees, real bees, but I love the
To
whole
decorate.
bee theme decor.
Especially for
I picked these
summer.
up today at Primitives. Luckily, we live in Lancaster County, and y'all probably know Primitives by Kathy, her line, but she's like 5 miles from our home.
Yes.
So I'm able to go there, and I saw these and I thought, oh, we need to do a cute little tutorial. We thought these would be great, like on the top of a tiered tray.
Yes.
Or just somewhere to tuck in to add to your summer decor.
You can use any decorative cup.
Yes.
I've seen plenty at the Dollar Tree
The Dollar Tree,
that are
yes.
very cute.
Yes.
As long as they are not glass that you can see through, so you would see everything on the inside, as long as
Yes.
they're solid,
Yes.
colored. You could use
So
that.
we're just going to do something quick and simple. This isn't going to take us very long. So your
Okay.
supplies are going to be your cup. We're going to use some dry foam. We're going to need a little bit of your Spanish moss. We are actually going to use this Boxwood green and the yellow flower. We're going to add a touch of yellow to it, and bees. So let's get started.
Where did you get these bees?
I actually got these bees at one of my wholesalers. They're actually out of them right now. I have my name in to buy some. If I am able to, I will have them listed on our Etsy shop.
Awesome. So you can purchase them from
Yes.
us if you would like.
Yes, they come in a dozen. So let's get started.
Great.
Okay, so first we're going to just take our foam, put a lid, and I need another glue stick. Just put a little bit of glue around the edges and just push it in. And then
You're strong.
I am. There we
Oh,
go.
it works. Okay.
And then we're just going to take a little bit of Spanish moss, put a little bit of glue on the top,
Okay.
a little bit of Spanish moss, just tuck some into the side,
And some on
and
top.
a little bit on top, and we're good to go.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yes, a little goes a long way with this stuff, which is
Yes, it
I love.
does. And then you're going to want to pick, for me, for this one, I think I'm going to do the Be Kind as the front. If there's Be Kind, Be Happy, and Be Humble, which I like all three of them. But
I think I'm going to do Be Humble
there you
as
go.
my front.
Yes. So now we're going to just take some of the boxwood.
Okay.
We're just going to maybe start in the very top.
Right in the middle.
Yep.
Okay.
And some of this might be just a little bit too long. A little bit too long. And then what we're going to do is just fill it in all around. So it's nice and full. It's probably going to take a total of 5 pieces of this. This I actually got at JoAnn Fabrics. It comes a whole big thing like this.
Oh,
So
great.
I just cut it down.
And do you always use a coupon?
Always, or you know what I do? I wait until it's buy 1 get 2 free.
Ooh.
So this
Okay.
that big thing was $5.99, but I only paid $5.99 once and got 3, so they ended up being $2 a piece.
That's awesome.
Yes. Oh yes, I don't.
And you only need one for this project.
One
Correct.
big one?
Yeah.
If
You don't need
that.
one. Yeah.
And then I just wanted to add a touch of color And I just thought these I've had for a long time. And actually, they were from a store that we had locally called AC Moore, which I loved. I loved their flowers, but they went out of business before COVID, actually. They went out of business. So, we don't need a lot of this. So I'm going to even take each sprig and cut it into 3.
Okay.
Well, that one. This one I'll cut into 2 because we just want this as the accent color.
Okay. I'm going to turn this around now so I can see my front. So as you show us how to place it, I know where I'm going.
Yes. Well, I just think I'm probably going to use about 5 pieces of this.
Okay.
Maybe start there.
Stick in the
Actually,
side.
one up the center. Yeah, one up the center. Side, side. This is so quick.
This is so quick. This is really, really simple.
And what a cute addition to like tiered bee theme tiered tray. See, that's my front.
Or on a mantle.
Yes. Oh, looks really good.
I'm gonna do one more.
And you know you can fiddle with it once you get it all in there. You can play with it a little bit. And then there's a couple different ways. You can either add your bees just straight in. I like to kind of twirl them around my finger and give it a little spring.
Oh yeah. Twirl. We do things in 3s.
Well, yeah.
I twirled in 3.
Oh, you twirled in 3. 1, 2. Yeah, I did.
You've taught me to do things in 3s, so I'm.
When it comes to floral design. You know who taught me that? Sue Miller.
Oh, our old neighbor.
Our old neighbor.
Growing up.
Yes.
Aw.
Yes. She taught me that.
She was a lovely lady.
She was. Okay. Isn't that just the cutest?
It was adorable. Okay. One more for me. I'm a little slower.
That's okay. You're doing wonderful.
Thanks,
I'm
Ma.
so proud of you.
It's all you want to hear from your mom. Just want you to be proud.
See,
of
and
me.
we did that in what? 10 minutes tops. I don't even think it took us that.
How stinking adorable. Here's a
There you
nice little arrangement that you can put in any little corner of your home. Simple, easy, super crazy affordable, and you can do it designed to your specifications of what you like in your home.
Absolutely.
See you guys next time.
Have fun crafting. Bye now.